Ms. Bharti,
Yes, Lordship.
how many pages do you sign in a day? Tell us. Roughly how many in a day?
Lordship, I have evidence that this has been forged, Your
We
Lordship.
are
I'm
asking you a
giving-
question. Roughly how many do you sign in a day? 4 or 5?
Yes,
As a
Lordship.
lawyer?
Lordship.
We sign over 200. And if
Lordship.
you compare all, my
Lordship,
signatures will
I'm
differ
ready
on
to-
each page.
I'm ready to explain, Your Lordship. I'm ready to tell you how this is forged. 899 by 26, I filed this writ petition. There is allegations of forgery of the magistrate court judge,
Allegations of?
forging the order sheet of the magistrate court judge Colonel Shyam Singh. He has passed a order of charge on 17th February 2025, Your Lordship, on page number 41 in writ petition 1899 by
What is the
26.
relief you are seeking in these petitions?
To make an inquiry,
Your
And
prayer
report-
B says,
Lordship.
impugned judicial record came to bear the question, whose forged signatures?
Of the judge. The order sheet did not bear the signature of the judge. The order was there that the charges have been framed. There was no signature of the judge. And you see subsequent order sheet, Your Lordship. Lordship may go to page number 41.
How do you substantiate these submissions?
Lordship, I'm giving you the order sheet copy, Your
Which
Lordship.
page?
Page number 41, Your Lordship. 17th February 2025.
Yes.
Lordship, it is mentioning about the charges framed by the court on that date, and you see the signature of, Lordship may see the signature of Colonel Singh Shyam there, and you see, Lordship may see the signature of Colonel Singh Shyam in the previous date, which is, I think it's 9th of December 2024. We'll see the,
13th March it says for Colonel Singh Shyam. Who
no,
signed?
the previous one, the previous one, the previous order.
Reader,
Previous one is same.
No, Lordship, no, it's so different, Your Lordship. You see the signature
Ms.
there and
Bharti,
here.
how many pages do you sign in a day?
Lordship.
You as a, no,
Lordship.
you as a lawyer, how many pages do you sign
Lordship,
in
in
a day?
that case, Lordship may
Ms.
see
Bharti,
45,
Ms.
page number
Bharti,
45.
Ms. Bharti,
Yes, Lordship.
how many pages do you sign in a day? Tell us. Roughly how many in a day?
Lordship, I have evidence that this has been forged, Your
We
Lordship.
are
I'm
asking you a
giving-
question. Roughly how many do you sign in a day? 4 or 5?
Yes,
As a
Lordship.
lawyer?
Lordship.
We sign over 200. And if you compare all, my
Lordship,
signatures will
I'm
differ
ready
on
to-
each page.
I'm ready to explain, Your Lordship. I'm ready to tell you how this is forged. Lordship will see page number 45, Your Lordship. This was a certified copy of the order sheet I have asked to the certifying counter. Lordship, this is, you see, page number 46 in the back of that certified copy.
Yes.
दे से दोनों आरोप पत्र पर न्यायाधीश महोदय के हस्ताक्षर नहीं होने के कारण उसकी प्रतियां तथा नहीं दी जा रही है. This is what it says, and I have asked the complete order sheet and I have asked for charge frame by the court. This is a clear indication.
What is the stage of the proceedings?
Lordship, even after.
Today, what is the stage of the proceedings?
I'm just explaining you, Lordship.
What is the stage of the proceedings now?
Lordship, if you see page number 43, it says
No, tell us what is the stage?
आरोप तर्क के लिए तर्क हेतु नियत.
Then क्या फर्क?
नहीं, क्या फर्क पड़ता है? Lordship, their intention,
How are you prejudiced?
their intention is to, Lordship, you know when this was done? This was done exactly when I got a stay in the High Court and 482 application on mid-September.
Tell us one thing.
Mid-September.
Your allegation is that the charge sheet, charges which were framed by
By
the
the
judge
court.
were not signed by the
Were
judge.
not signed.
Not signed.
Ideally, therefore, the
One
next
second.
order sheet
One
says.
second, one
Lordship,
second. If the charges are not signed,
framed.
it's an irregularity.
Lordship.
Normally CPC says, this is not CPC won't apply, CRPC. CPC
Right.
says if a judgment is available on the record but not signed,
Lordship.
the successor judge can come and sign it. But that doesn't apply in CRPC. So successor judge can't sign on the charges which are already framed.
Lordship.
There are two consequences.
Lordship.
The accused should be acquitted. Because charges framed not signed, so they are discharged. That
That is
can't
not,
happen.
that is not my
That
intention.
can't happen.
That is not my intention.
So the new judge has to again hear the matter on charge
Right,
and frame charges.
Lordship.
What is it listed now for?
It is listed for,
For this
Charge
purpose?
argument.
for the same purpose.
For this
So,
purpose? So
Lordship,
tell us, let's assume, for some reason or the other, the judge could not sign the charges. We can't read those charges because we don't know what he prepared. Today, if you have a blank, if you have a sheet of paper containing charges but not signed by the judge, nobody can authenticate that this is what he had framed. Right?
Lordship.
So we can't use that piece of paper.
Lordship.
So what is the solution?
Because it was.
You don't
it was
need to say
without-
because, we are
Lordship,
accepting that
Lordship,
argument.
because it was not signed from February till September, when I got the stay in the
All right,
482
so
application,
what is
their
the-
intention,
Ms.
so their
Bharti,
intention,
Please tell us, are you the accused?
yes, Lordship.
In
That-
this
that is-
case, you are
yes,
the accused?
Yes, Your Lordship, along with my.
Charges are framed against you?
Lordship,
Now, if the court again hears the matter and
Gotcha.
frames charges,
Lordship.
if you are aggrieved by the charges, you will have your remedy in law.
Lordship, that is not the issue. The issue is, their intention is, I don't get relief in 482 under the ground that the charges are framed, therefore you will not be allowed the relief of 482. You have to face, and Your Lordship, my personal and professional life, I have not done anything wrong.
Bharti, please
Just
don't-
because this
one
person.
second, Ms. Bharti.
Lordship,
Please don't link both of them at the moment. You are pointing out an irregularity which has happened in the judicial record.
Lordship.
Please tell us what is the solution to correct it. Tell us. How does this error get rectified?
Lordship.
Error
I-
gets rectified by the, now the judge has changed.
Lordship,
So by the successor judge, hearing again on charge, successor judge can discharge you or frame the charges. Those will be what
Lordship,
will
in
be.
that case, it should have remained unsigned. How it is,
Can you
I
be,
have,
please
I
tell
have
us,
seen the file.
can you be
February.
tried, can you be tried on the basis of an unsigned charges?
No, Lordship, that is not my intention.
what
My
is the
intention
solution?
is, my intention is to tell that this was forged with the intention that I don't get relief in 482.
Forgery is something different. Here, it is irregularity because the order sheet is not signed.
When
Charges
it
are
was not signed from February to September, I have seen the file.
So please tell us what is the solution now?
The solution is their intention, Your Lordship, the malified
Intent-
intention to
Ms.
ensure,
Ms.
first
Bharti.
file a
Ms.
malicious
Bharti, please tell us
prosecution.
one thing. All right,
Lordship.
let's assume for the sake of appreciating
Yeah.
your argument,
Lordship.
they had a malified intention. All right.
Very clear, sir, Your
Let's,
Lordship.
not clear, we are assuming it, we are not accepting it. But we are only assuming to test your argument.
Lordship.
Let's assume there is a malified intention. You have brought it to the notice of the
Lordship.
High Court now that there was this malified intention.
Lordship.
What is the solution now?
Let there be an inquiry, Your Lordship, this is what I'm
Inquiry
asking.
into what?
Inquiry on how he is having access to the court file, and when the signature was not there from
Insofar as the
February
case-
to,
Insofar
February
as the
to,
case is concerned,
specifically the time, this was forged only in February, in September to
forged.
October when I got the stay.
please read the definition of forgery. An unsigned document is not a forgery. A signed
Signing-
document is a forgery.
So they have signed, Your Lordship, now.
Who signed it?
The signature here is a forged document, it's not done by the judge. Judge's normal signature will see, Lordship may see in page number 41, the normal signature is different to the one which is signed on. Their only intention is she does not get relief in 482 on the ground of charge.
Charges are still not signed.
No, Your Lordship.
Proceedings?
Proceedings are now stayed in because of the High Court order stating that the matter will be heard on the stay application, so therefore it is stayed right now.
Proceedings are forged. What is your basis?
Lordship, first thing, he's an advocate. They are a group of land grabbing advocates. Throughout their life, they've done
So
only
there
land
should be a
grabbing.
presumption.
No. I'm telling you, because of that, they have a past
What is the
precedence.
basis of this
There is a Bar
argument?
Council of India warning against them already. They've already troubled somebody.
What is the basis on which, what is the material to show that these are the forged signatures?
Lordship, when the order sheet was blank, from February
Where
till
is the copy-
September, till
where
the
is the
time I
copy of
got,
blank order sheet?
till the time.
Where is the copy of blank order sheet?
I will submit it in the next hearing, Your Lordship. I can prove. I have a certified copy. They are doing this because I'm from outside. I'm not a local advocate.
The petitioner who appears in person submits that there has been tampering with the judicial record inasmuch as the charges which were framed do not bear the signatures of the judicial officer. Stop. For better appreciating the submission of the petitioner, it would be appropriate to, we deem it expedient to summon the original record from the court. Accordingly, the registry is directed to requisition the original record of court proceedings.
RCT 11791.
RCT number 11791 of 2023 pending in the Court of Judicial Magistrate First Class Bhopal.
Lordship,
Through a special messenger, the original record be transmitted to the court
Lordship, grateful.
on the next date of hearing. When should we have it?
Lordship, on 7th, I have the next hearing here on 8th, so 7th of April, Your Lordship.
7th April.
Lordship.